Yes, in this video I'm going to show you the best motion graphic editor or creator for mobile users. The app name is Alight Motion and you can download it from the Play Store itself. And it has got a pretty good lot of good features, and it will be a great use to you, the new graphic creators. And don't worry about how to get trained on it. You have got a lot of video tutorials over YouTube, and these are officially posted from the app developers itself, so don't worry. You also will have a good community over YouTube, so don't worry about asking doubts and other things. And these tutorials are from pretty basics to advanced stage, so you can learn a lot of good things here. And now let's look how the app looks. It has got a pretty good features, like you can add element from the app itself. You can download the elements and use over your videos, your graphic motions, etc. And you can get into tutorials over YouTube from the app itself, and it will have a lot of updates, regular updates, so you don't have to worry about anything while using this app. And then let's look into editor interface. It has got a pretty easy to use interface and easy to edit. You can edit a lot of videos here easily. You can add a lot of layers, text graphics, editing, video effects, and you can also export your videos into video format, GIF, GIF format, image sequences, project packages, or you can also save the current frame as PNG, like that.